Good morning, guys. Oh, I am exhausted. I don't know why either. Anyway, it's 5 a.m. Simon's sitting here. Hey, bud. Good boy. Um, I was thinking about editing a video, but I gotta leave in an hour and a half, and I got watering to do, so we got a lot of weed eating to do today. I'm nervous for my back, but anyway, let's get to it. All right, guys, I'm feeling pretty good today. Oh, I gotta get something. I forgot something. Back in a flash. All right, I've got a folder that I keep my invoices and stuff in, and my money too when I get paid. And I need to put that money in the bank today, so I can't forget that. Anyway, guys, so we're heading off to this job. I'm only gonna work until it gets hot out, and then I'm gonna quit for the day. And I'll go do the same tomorrow. It's 6:22 in the morning. I'm planning on being there about 7 o'clock. Like every other day, I'm not sure how much, if any, I'm gonna record there because I'm there to work. So anyway, we'll see you there if we see you there. If we don't see you there, then we will see you on the way back. All right. All right, last bit of the day is done. Now we go home. How's everybody doing out there? You see, I did a little shot working. I was busy working, so I didn't. Yeah. Look at this little town, guys. This is the coolest little town. I'm gonna leave you guys rolling as we go through town here. I mean, I know this. I've known this town is here for 100 years. This is Sutter Creek, California, by the way. But I didn't know these little side roads were so cool. All the old businesses and stuff. I am so glad to be done. And then all we have is 4 hours of work tomorrow, and that's it. Lots of traffic in this little town. Okay, we're going for it. Woohoo! That's a neat little town. All right, guys. So we're leaving town now. Another little town you blink and miss. Anyway, we'll catch you back in the shop. All right, I got a tune-up kit. This one wasn't running bad, but it wasn't running great either. So I'm just gonna. Air filter's pretty nasty. I'm just gonna replace the spark plug and the air filter. Oh my goodness gracious. Why do they have to? Oh, I hate thieves. They make life difficult. I might replace the fuel filter too. I don't know. Probably not right this second. But yeah, I mean, I paid for it. I may as well. Definitely though, the air filter and the spark plug. Yeah, brand new, nice and shiny air filter. I don't like Husqvarna's air filters, but this tune-up kit was like $16, so I guess it's not terrible. I haven't replaced this air filter since I bought this thing. Get that tightened down. Let's see what we need to do. What do we got going on with this spark plug situation in here? Definitely. Well, let me see. Make sure it's not going to be this one. Nope. I'm not sure I've ever had this out either. Oh. Look at that. Don't look too bad. You guys see that? That's not too bad, right? I mean, we got a new one. We'll put it in anyway. It's the same thing, right? Yeah, it's all the same. RCJ8Y. Well, it's different because this is a Champion plug and this is a Husqvarna branded plug. But this was a specific tune-up kit for this machine, so I'm gonna trust it. Let's see if she'll start here. Ooh. I'm out of gas. Good Lord. This just, that's what today's been like. That is what today's been like. I just remembered, just, God. How stupid. See what happens when you work out in the heat? That's embarrassing. Alright. Let's put some Go Juice in it and try it again. I bet it goes now. first. Me being stupid. How do we get that? Trying to see how the fuel filter. Yeah, I'll change that another time. And now that the thing's going, got the spark plug and the air filter changed. I don't want to mess it up because I need it tomorrow to finish that job. All right, excuse me, guys. Put this stuff away. And because I'm such a hoarder, I'm going to keep the old plug, spark plug, and air filter just in case. Oh, you guys are all flipped around. All right. That like overheated me now. I need to go. Where's my water? Oh, there it is. So yeah, this 128 really saved my butt today. I had problems with the WS 4200. I wanted to run it, but there's no way. I got it started. The 130C did pretty good too, but the WS 4200, I got it started. It sounded bad. It almost like a rod knock or something. I'm not sure what happened to it, but it didn't want to run right. It didn't want to idle, which is weird. I mean, look at it, it's brand new still. Didn't sound good at all, so I got it running as long as I kept the RPM up, and I got to cutting, and then it just, after like 30 seconds, it lost power and died. It didn't want to restart. So I'm not gonna say there's something wrong with it. Oh, I walked halfway over here to that air conditioner and it felt so good. How's that feel to you guys? Good? Yeah, I gotta shut it off though, because no reason to be cool in the shop when I'm not in here. Anyway, I had a job to do, so I just put it back and got another one, and I will tear into it today or tomorrow or sometime and see if I can't get it figured out. But till then, I'm gonna go in, get some more ice water and cool off. All right, guys, so we're headed to the school to pick up Lizzie. It's that time. I've got to get caught up on my invoicing and stuff. I'm really horrible at the business aspect. You know, I like to go out and work, but then when it's time to come home and do the paperwork, I'm not great at that. So I'm behind. I've got a lot of people pay me on the spot, and or like when the job's done. So like today I went and put a few $100s in the bank that I've had sitting in my folder for a little bit, so I had to make a note on who paid me what so I could put it in the software, because there's a lot of good stuff in the software that measures your profits and losses and stuff, and like I said, I'm not great at that. But anyway, we are headed down to the school now to pick up one of the kiddos, and then I gotta learn how to trim hedges. You wouldn't think it'd be that difficult, and it probably isn't, especially to somebody who trims hedges a lot, but I don't. I've got some bushes on my property that have been overgrown, and I'm gonna see what I can do with them. I'm wondering if I should put that in this video or not. I gotta go back to that house we did today. I gotta go back tomorrow.